Are you looking to customize your Python virtual environment? You're not alone. Many developers want to set additional environment variables when activating their Virtualenv. Today, we'll explore how to do just that. I totally get it. It can be frustrating when you have to manually set environment variables every time you activate your Virtualenv. This is a common issue that many developers face. Here's the specific question we're addressing. One user asked, what is the conventional way to customize the changes made by a Python Virtualenv activate script? They want to know how to hook into the existing activation process without creating extra steps. Sound familiar? Let's dive in. So, what's the deal with the activate script? The activate script is responsible for setting environment variables specific to your virtual environment. However, sometimes you need to set additional variables for your projects. Let's explore your options. And stick around. I'll share a neat trick at the end that will make managing your virtual environments even easier. To customize the Virtualenv activation process, the user can create a separate script that will be automatically called when the Virtualenv is activated. This allows for additional environment variables to be set without modifying the original activate script. Next, the user should edit the original activate script to include a call to this new script. This ensures that whenever the Virtualenv is activated, the custom script runs automatically. In the custom script, the user can define any additional environment variables needed for their project. This keeps the activation process clean and organized. Finally, the user should test the setup by activating the Virtualenv and checking if the custom environment variables are set correctly. This ensures everything is functioning as intended. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Python was released in 1991? It's amazing how far we've come in programming since then. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative approach suggested by a user is to use Virtualenv wrapper. They recommend editing the post-activate script located in the virtual environment's bin directory. Let's move forward and look at another answer. An alternative approach is to use Virtualenv wrapper's pre-activate and post-activate hooks. These hooks allow you to run custom scripts before and after activating your virtual environment. Additionally, you can explore using autoenv, which automatically activates environment variables when you enter a directory. Here's that neat trick I promised. Consider using Virtualenv wrapper. It simplifies managing your virtual environments and allows you to set environment variables easily without modifying the activate script. And there you have it. You now have several ways to customize your Virtualenv activation process. Remember, keeping your environment organized can save you time and headaches. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more tips.